Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your BlueSky account with BitSocial. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Account section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, you will see that different types of social media platforms are available. Then select BlueSky. Now, click on the Login button under BlueSky. To connect your BlueSky account with BitSocial, provide your BlueSky username or email, along with your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication on your BlueSky account, you must use an app password in the password field instead of your regular password. Then click on the Connect BlueSky button. Your BlueSky account will be displayed in the pop-up. Next, click on the Save button. You will now see your BlueSky account successfully connected in the BitSocial account section. Now you can easily use the WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedules, and Share Now feature for your WordPress posts. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.